Hi, this is Sonya. I want to show you a very nice routine to roll out your upper back. It is very rewarding and could be addictive because it feels really good. If you do a lot of computer work or always on the cell phone or need to take care of small kids or even work too hard on those downward dog and push-ups, this is a very nice routine to open up your upper back. Set your upper back around your shoulder blade area on the roller, hands interlaced behind your head to support your neck. Pick your hips up slightly, engage your abs. Slowly roll up and down on the roller. You can go as high as the top of your shoulders and as low as your lower ribs. Bring your hips down, take a small break. Turn your torso towards your right. Bring your right elbow closer to your face so that your right shoulder blade is very flat on the back. Pick your hips up and roll slowly up and down from the right side of your back and the shoulder blade. You can also put your right hand in front of your chest if that feels better for your shoulder, and just have your left hand support your head. Now try your left side. We are rolling out the soft tissue around your shoulder blade. Throughout the whole routine, always have your hands support your neck. We don't want to release your upper body but end up having a tight neck. Next, lie down on your right side. Your right armpit on the roller. Right hand support your neck. Bottom leg bent, top leg almost straight. You may already feel it just in this position. From here, slowly roll up and down. You can use your top leg to drive the roller. Muscles in this area can get really tight. If it's too intense, use softer roller or put a towel over the roller. You can also roll side to side. Keep it slow and small. Now try your left side. I often see people have two different sides. One side may be screaming at you, but the other side feels nothing. You can spend more time on your tighter side. Come back to the center, your shoulder blades on the roller, hips down on the floor. Keep your pelvis curled. Make sure your hands support your neck. On exhale, arch your upper back over the roller. Very important to keep your pelvis curled and your lower back rounded. Then lower your ribs down to bring your chest back up. Do that a few times. Make sure the roller is not too low or too high. Right around the lower tips of your shoulder blades. We try to encourage your upper back to arch, not your mid back or lower back. Now upper back stay arched, then side bend to your left side. Feel that you are fanning out your right side of your ribs. Then side bend to the other side. Reach right elbow away from the ribs. Do this for 3 sets. Again, you may feel one side tighter than the other. You are welcome to spend more time on the tighter side. Bring your chest up, lift your hips off the floor, and then roll up and down again. We will do one more thing here. Bring your hips down, keep your pelvic tilt, and arch your upper back over the roller for 3 times. You may feel easier to arch this time. Now keep your upper back arched, lower back rounded. We're going to rotate upper back to the right so that you are looking back to your right elbow. Then rotate to the other side. Do it for 3 sets. Make sure your roller is in the right spot. It's under the lower tips of your shoulder blades, not too high or too low. This is a very small movement. Human body is not designed to have a lot of range in this motion, so don't push too hard. Make sure you don't tense up your neck or shoulders. Once you are done, sit up and feel the difference before and after. If you like this sequence, please like and share with others. I also have videos on rolling out your lower body, your hips, legs, and calves. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell by the subscription button so that you get notified for new videos. Always love your comments. See you in the next video.